We're back with Duke, so we're going to just start out by introducing the callers today. Got my nick set on 0. We're only using the pager in the beginning, and what we're going to do is use something called a sound box. It's going to help you hear when I'm using the pager. And of course, you know your caller's not going to make a sound, but it's really just for the sake of the video. So what we need to start out with is the subtask of heel, which is I don't want the leash made tight because he will pull on the leash. So the way we do that, oh, Duke. Oh, he's a cute little guy, though he's been good as gold. Is we're just going to take off walking. So instead of pulling on the leash, if there's any pressure on the leash, I'm just adding that pager. I'm trying to get him to heel or do anything like that. I want him to go all the way to the end of the leash. I want him to understand that that pager is me communicating. It's not a correction. Not trying to get him to heel at all. This is a subtask of heel. At this stage not to say anything. I'm not going to say his name. I'm not going to try to say heel. He doesn't know that. You can see I'm already starting to be able to turn him with the pager. Alright, so that's where we're starting out. We're going to be right back and we're going to start working on the recall.